In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 most important AI platforms that will enable you to use Seedance 2.5. The very first platform I'm going to show you gives you access to use Seedance 2.5, and I'm going to show you how to use it to create your motion control video if you don't skip this video for free and unlimited using their platform credit. I know that better and more tools are coming in the future. In order for you not to miss any of these tools, what you need to do is to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. Let's look at the very first platform we have here. It works better both on your mobile phone and on your PC. So while we are doing it, pick your phone, grab your PC, and let's do this together. First platform you are seeing here is this particular platform, the Dropshot AI. All right, like you can see, this platform gives you 300 free credit. So we are going to claim the additional 300 credit on this platform, making it 600 free credit. So the moment you log in, right, with your email, your preferred email, let's see how we can claim additional 300 credit, making it 600. So go ahead and select the email of your choice, the one you want to use on this platform. Awesome. So the moment you are logged in, you're going to take your time and go through this simple question that is going to be displayed on the screen. Once you are done with everything, you're going to see this beautiful platform. You can see nothing is reflecting. Just wait. The 300 platform credit will reflect in no time. You can see it's reflected already. Now, if you close this particular thing, you're going to miss to claim the additional 300. So go ahead and get free credit by clicking that place, right? Once you click on it, you're going to wait a bit and this is going to pop up that says agree and get credit. So we are going to go ahead and agree and get additional credit. Successfully, it has been added. So go ahead and refresh your platform and you're going to see your 600 free credit added to you. If you've done to this time, congratulations. Now let's go ahead and create our first video on this platform using Seedance 2.5. Now you see you have other models like Grok Imagine. So you can go ahead and try this out yourself and see how much credit this platform uses, right? And you can see we have frame to video and reference to video. Now the purpose of this video, we want to be using Seedance 2.5 for this. Now you can bring in your reference image if you have. Now we are going to be using this amount of credit to use and create. So if you increase the resolution, it's going to increase your credit. So the higher the resolution, the higher your credit. So go ahead and select that resolution of 30 seconds. You see how much credit. So because we don't have up to that, I have to leave it at 6 seconds or even at 5 seconds so that we can use lesser credit. Now once you are done, click any of these, right? Any based on what you want to generate. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to paste my prompt text to video. If you have your image ready, you can use it as image to video also. It doesn't matter. So the moment I sent my prompt, now let's wait and see the quality of video on this platform. And in no time, the video is here. Now take a look at this.
We were not born to fear the storm. We were born to ride through it.
Now, this is absolutely beautiful. It actually came with sound and exactly what I wanted. All right, so perfect. Then I can go ahead and hit the download button and download this. Everything. And I still have enough credit remaining for us to continue with our generation. Now, if you exhaust your credit here, don't worry. You can sign out and log in again. Let's create motion control. You can see this dance challenge. Click on that dance challenge. I want to see clean to motion control. Now at this point, I want to upload your reference video, the dancing video you want to use. Now take note of this part because it's very important. I'm going to go ahead and select any video of my choice. Now this length matters a lot because this is where a lot of people will try it and they will say it's not working. If you select anyhow video, this is what you are going to get. Now if you select up to 15 seconds long video, you want to be using 700 credit and you don't have up to that. So because of the credit we have, you want to select a lesser video. What you need to do is that take that video to CapCut or any editing platform and cut it to at least 9 seconds long so you can maintain the exact credit we are using here. This video is 9 seconds long and you can see it's going to come out perfectly well. So you see, you can use this and then here on the second box, you can upload your reference character so you can use it for the motion control. After everything has been done, right, you want to see you'll be using lesser credit. If you use video that is up to 15 to 20 seconds long duration for your motion control, it's going to cost you a lot of credit, and the result came out perfectly well with 720p resolution. So go ahead and try this out and check it out yourself. You can see this, it came out excellent. So this is another platform you can look out for your motion control video. Because we are looking for more of Seedance 2.5, this takes us to the next platform we'll be looking at in this video. This platform offers us platform credits, all right? So once you click on this platform, you're going to see this is going to pop up, right? And then you're going to see other models, Seedance 2.5 and other top models on this platform. Now we want to start using Seedance 2.5 because that's the purpose of this video. So select create now, and it will bring you to where you have to select your email, preferred login detail. You sign in using your email, right? Because if you try to use a temporary email, it's not going to work. Because I actually tried it, it wasn't working. All right, so I tried to sign in with a Gmail, right? But you can try the temporary mail. If it works, let me know in the comment section, right? Take your time and go through this short question, and once you are done, it will bring you to this beautiful interface where we have to claim our free credits. Now before you do that, make sure you pass the security test and you receive 200 free credits on this platform. Now once that is added, we are going to use Seedance 2.5 on this platform to generate. Now we are going to select any video, like add your prompt, image, reference, frames, and all of that. Everything is on this platform. Now we are going to use, the shocking thing is that we are using 180 credits to generate, and we have up to 200 free credits. Now for you to have additional free credits, you can click to join their Discord, their Discord community, and you receive additional 50 credits. The video is ready. I just gave a simple prompt with my reference image and boom, the result. So click and download this and then you're good to go. And because of the annoying watermark and this platform, it might take a little time, right? So because of the time and the watermark, annoying watermark, I'm going to introduce to you the next platform in this video. Now, a lot of you might have been using this platform, but you don't know that this platform can do a lot, right? Now, these are the types of images that can generate on this platform without any restrictions. Maybe you can use cartoon images, 3D styles images, pixel styles images, and also perfectly text to video works perfectly well on this platform. So if you're looking for a platform you can use text to video, try this platform out. And trust me, if you're generating image on this platform, it's amazing. I tried generating image on this platform and the result is incredibly insane. It gives you in 4 variations, so you can choose the one you want, right? And you can generate your images here and use it to create your video. Okay, so because of the purpose of this video, we are going to create using text to video. So just give your text to video prompt and this platform is going to do the magic for you, and it generates up to 10 seconds long video. Beautiful. So this is what you've been looking for, and because of the length of my video, it was able to give me just one generation per email. Once you're done with it, you can go ahead and sign out and log in again with a different email and keep generating. Let me know what you think about all these platforms in the comment section of this video, and keep using this platform to generate while we wait for more to. Guys, until then, see you in the next one.